Hi, I'm Iti Tyagi. I'm an artist, designer, and a social entrepreneur. I'm the founder of Craft Village, India's largest craft organization working towards preserving and promoting rare crafts of India. In 2005, during a trip to Odisha and Kutch, I found out excessive supply, low quality presentations, repetitive designs, and absolutely no awareness towards craft and culture at large. This was quite worrisome, as the subject matter concern was very niche, yet the stakeholders were not getting benefited at all. In 2015, I founded Craft Village, India's first artist residency focusing towards craft and design intervention. Craft Village started with baby steps by creating awareness through craft masterclasses and research programs. In the process, we discovered that there were no private, national, or global awards that could recognize talent and create avenues for them. Hence, in 2017, we founded first International Craft Awards, and to our surprise, we got the nominations from 40 countries. This result was fabulous, and today we are known as Academy Awards of Crafts. The effort of recognizing talent merely was not enough, as India was full of haats and bazaars on smaller scales. There was not even a single business platform that could portray luxury in crafts. Now was the need to create India's largest platform where buyers, makers, craftsmen, and brands could come together for a common dialogue, business, and entertainment. Our second IP, India Craft Week, was created solely for this purpose. Today, we are India's official and world's second largest craft week. Craft Village is an ecosystem, and hence it captivates consumers' attention. With India Craft Week and International Craft Awards, we have a global presence that we only wish to scale in coming times. From being India's youngest craft organization to becoming world's largest craft organization, it's our dream getting bigger day by day. Thank you.